Hello, this is about storing the screenshots in the necessary Word files with hotkeys. And here are the necessary packages for the date, time, PyAuto GUI for screenshots, keyboard for getting the hotkeys, and docs to uh, do some functionalities in the Word files. And here is the like a dictionary I've created. These are the shortcut keys, and these are the uh, word files to store in. These three are that, and this is a dictionary, like an empty dictionary, where we'll be storing this file name as well as the the document object for the particular file name. If the file is not present there, we'll be creating a document object with with this as a header for that document. So we will be adding heading. So this is why this docs import document is we need for these things. And this is a function to take screenshot, and I'll come to that later. And here is the like a keyboard add hotkey. This for loop, what it does is it goes to every hotkey and file names from this dictionary where it has the hotkey and the file name. So this is the thing here. It will be getting every hotkey and file name in this dictionary. So it will be it is a function which will be adding, like if this hotkey is pressed, this functionality will be this function will be uh, executed with this argument. The argument is nothing but the file name. File name is nothing but which hotkey we are pressing. This file name will be going into this function as an argument. So this is what happens here, and these are some print statements to be uh, to uh, for our usability. And this is escape. If we print like press escape, it will be going back. So this is a take screenshot, and we are getting the document object of this particular file name from this dictionary which we have created using this for loop. And we are getting the file timestamp for readability, and we are creating an image file name. This is a file name, like an image file name we are creating for a screenshot. Each and every screenshot will be getting this screenshot name. Okay, this is a readable timestamp. This timestamp is to add to the picture. This timestamp to add it in a word file itself. So, and this is the screenshot we are taking, and this adds the paragraph at the top of the document, like the Word document. Screenshot taken at the readable timestamp, it is this one. So it is readable, and the timestamp will be added at the top. And we are adding the picture with this image file. This image file we have created here. And while we take the screenshot, this image file name will be given to this particular screenshot. While we the hotkey, this all execute at once. We are adding the paragraph screenshot taken it, and we are adding this image also in that word file, and also we are giving the width range, and we are adding the add paragraph. This is for a new line, like a new line for the previous screenshot and the next screenshot. And we are storing it in a temporary file. This is for saving it in a safe way. Okay, I mean, like otherwise there will be some errors. Okay, so actually it replaces the real file with this temp file with this shuttle.move. Okay, and this is how it works. And just run it. As you can see here, these these this for loop gets executed three times. So this PSR and Prince Sam, these three dogs will be. Now let me take a screenshot. Control Alt P. I'm doing Control Alt P. So Prince dog is saved. This screenshot is saved. This time also gets stored into it. So let me go into other file. So as you can see, this is great. And again, I create Control Alt P. There is other screenshot, and it also get appended here, as you can see here. As I said, the first header and the screenshot taken at the readable timestamp, and the screenshot is added. We can also make the screenshot bigger using that image width, and everything gets added. And if I click Control Alt S, there will be some Word document, and the screenshot will be added to Sam. The current screenshot which I have taken 9/4/18. Okay, and Control Alt R will be doing the same too, but in our Raj Word file. So this is about it. It will be having, and if we press escape, it will be escaping. Thank you. Hello. This is the version 2 of the previous one, as I said. And yeah. What the changes I did is I made a flag for saving images as a screenshot rather than the Word file. Additionally, we can save the images also while giving it as true, and giving it as false, we cannot save those screenshot images. And this one I did it for like instead of date time, we can get the server name for the file name. Instead of getting the server name, I did for the today date. With today date, the file name can be changed dynamically. For changing it dynamically, I did this. If we fail to get that file name, it will be getting. We can enter manually the file name, and it gives us this .docx extension and gets stored in this dictionary. And as the same, this dictionary is used for the document object by creating this for loop. And I've splitted the this same function into three functions now. This is for saving the temp file in a safe way, and this is for screenshot, and this is to adding the text to the document. With the particular shortcut key, we'll be adding the text to the document, which is the font size is 16 and it is bold. Okay. And these are the same thing as I said. And also here I have made changes for if we control Alt P, then it will append in both this problem.docs and main file. If we give only yes, it will be only in main file. Okay, and that's all about it. And let me run the program. So you can see the the file name is changing dynamically by the date. By the server name, getting fetching the details from server name, we can give the server name as this document name. Okay, now I'm giving Control Alt P. So screenshot saved to problem.docs and main.docs as well. If I Control Alt S alone, it will be saving to main docs only. If I press Control Alt T, Control Alt T, it asks for we can write whatever we want. So if we write, it is simple text added to this main document. And what else? As we have given this as true, there will be screenshots will be getting here, and I'll give escape. Now, as there is this this try block, if I give any error, it is failed to fetch the server name. Like, just imagine that we are giving the variable as false, saving it. and running it. So it is failed to get the system date, like the server name. So we can enter whatever we want. 3940 server. So the server name is, sorry, the word file name is 3940. Okay, this is how it works. Alt S, Alt T. We can type anything and gets added. Escape, escapes. As you can see here, we have all the screenshots in what are we are created here. The word file are taken and what we typed is also appended here. That's all about it. Thank you. Hello. This is the version 3 of the previous the screenshot project. So additionally, I've included HTTP basic auth, imported HTTP basic auth to fetch the server information with this ILO IP username and password. So here the fetch system and manager info, it will be returning the tick or it will be returning none. We have included the try accept block. So this is one is for system slash one. This is one link and this is another one. This is about the system information. This is about the server and this manager list will be having this information and this one has, and we are JSONing that, and uh, we are getting from system the ID we get from system and name get from system, and firmware version and manager type will be getting from the manager. So it will be returning it if this works fine. Otherwise, it will be returning network error while fetching or try to parse the request JSON. And also, if there is another errors, it will be like unexpected error. And this one is for getting the file name as a date. And these are the file names and its shortcut keys, as I said before. And we are getting this info as whatever it returns. This one will be going into this info. If the info contains it, it will be printing everything by write function. It writes to the document. Else, it will be printing proceed without system manager info. Proceeding without. So fetch failed. So this is the thing. If the info contains the written value, it will be going into this. Otherwise, it will proceed without the info. And here we will be initializing the file. So this one is like initializing a main file with this uh, the information like the header of the file. And if we don't have the information, it will be like this only. And if it is the main file, if it is main file, it will be going into this two. So as you can see here, otherwise it will be going into this one. If it is like a problem dot docs or other dot docs. And here we are saving it with shuttle.move in a safe way so that original file will not be corrupted. And this is like a screenshot where whenever we press the key, this program gets executed. And this one is to shortcut key to add the text to the file. And yeah, let's see. The screenshot V3 is meant by version 3. Let me So as you can see here, there is a network error because we are not connected to that network. We need to be connected either internally. We don't need to particularly connect to the internet, but we need to connect internally to that ILO IP. So there is a network error file fetching the request info. Okay, so Control Alt S creates a main file and adds to it like test case report date, and it could not be fetched. So we can also add like a manually, but for now it does like this. Control Alt P will be okay. The file is open, so my bad. The file should not be open while doing this. Actually, what we did here, uh, this one saves the file. Now, because we opened it, there will be some corruption. Now, the file is safe now. So Control Alt S, Control Alt S, Control Alt P. Now we have problem files also. To Control P and the Control S what we have made. If we are connected to the network, there will be like the details of that server, ILO IP, and the password, the necessary details of it. Thank you.